Hi guys, just been doing a balloon powered car series where we've been mounting the balloon on a tube that way up, that sits on there, and then I've tried different paddle wheels that the air pressure pushes the paddle wheel round and that drives the wheel forwards. But I'm going to have a break from that, so we'll leave all that to one side. That'll be on my main channel, Grandad is an Old Man. But for a break, I'm going to turn it over. We can get to that axle easily, so I've put a little peg on the front there, rubber band around the peg, over the back axle, just wrap it round so it holds itself in place. Wind it up, make sure it doesn't touch the sides. And then we'll let it go. Wheel spin. Easy. I'll probably put the files in the video description, Tinkercad files, so you can print it off yourself if you want. So it's actually designed to be a balloon powered car, but it will work as a rubber band powered car. Just see if we can send it back the other way. Oh, I was just about to say, because it's a short wheelbase, it's easy to knock it offline, and that just went and hit the side of the kitchen there, so we'll try that again. If you want a long straight run, you really want a long car because it's easier to get it to go straight. Short wheelbase, slightest twist, and it's going to go off at quite an angle. So, try that again. That's better. Easy. That would have done the full length if it hadn't hit the little chair there, table. So that one does 8 meters easily on a small rubber band. I suppose I ought to mention what we've got there. So 3D printed chassis, which is really too short for this purpose. 3D printed hubs that fit on the CDs, 4 of them, and 4 CDs, 2 barbecue skewers or bamboo canes, and because I did put rubber tyres on this, I spaced them away from the bodywork with a bit of paper drinking straw. I've taken the rubber tyres off again now because I didn't need them for the balloon powered car. But if you want to know how to put rubber tyres on, have a look in the video description. There'll be a playlist and a link showing you how to put rubber tyres on. I just cut strips from balloons or rubber gloves just to stretch around the outside of the CD, and that gives you extra grip. That'll do.